Welcome to Lingala Institute. My name is Jonas Lusa Lusa. This video is a review of the song Loi by Koffi Olomide. By the end of this video, you will know what the song Loi is all about. The song Loi falls into a category known in soukous music as generique. In other words, a generique is a song made especially for people to dance to. One or more atalakus sing throughout the whole song, while the band leader mostly says people's name or sometimes masese. The Lingala words masese means quotes in English. Most of the time, a generic is sung in more than one languages. The French word loi means law in English, which implies that the song has something to do with abiding by the rules of law. In order for you to get a clear picture of what the song is all about, you have to understand how public transportation works in Kinshasa. In Kinshasa, you pay your bus fare before you get off. The atalaku in this song is playing the role of a bus controller. A bus controller caught into a conflict with a passenger who decided not to pay. So the whole song is an argument between the controller and the passenger. The passenger ended up beating the controller, and the controller used a catapult to fight back. That's it. That's what the song is all about. It's an argument on a bus between a controller and a passenger. And Shamukwale is the name of the roundabout, the terminal where the bus was supposed to end. So the controller is doing his best to get the money before they reach Shamukwale. Shamukwale, Mama Pesa Mbongo. We are about to reach Shamukwale. You have to give your money.